So this is episode 1 of what I learned this week in ServiceNow. This week I learned how to put flyers on service catalog item request pages so that you can provide more information to customers on a catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I used a rich text label to do that. I'm in the Tokyo version, and I'm going to go to maintain items to look at the catalog items. And today I'm going to go to standard laptop for the Lenovo Carbon X1, and I'm going to add a flyer to give customers some more information on that. So here's the catalog item. And if we scroll down, we see we got variables, and this is what we're going to do is create a new variable, and we're going to put it in an order so that it sits below all of these other variables asking for information. So let's create a new variable. And we're going to pick rich text label. We'll put it at 150. For an order. And then down here, you'll see on the rich text label, you can add links, you can add media, and you can add images. So one thing I did learn is if you have a PDF or something like that, you have to turn it into an image file, so JPEG, PNG, something like that. So if you click on here, we get the Insert Edit Image pop-up box. You click on your source. I'm going to go to my demo Carbon data sheet. And here you see the image title and the width and height. So we'll keep it as is right now. I'm going to save it. And you see it brought in my flyer. I'm going to name it. And submit it. This will take me back to the catalog item. See our new variable here. So let's save the catalog item. And let's try it out. This is all the stuff that was already in the catalog item, all those other variables, and then right below it, you can see we've got my new flyer giving more information on the X1 Carbon. You can see it's a little bit smaller here. If you want to make it smaller or larger, extend it out a little, you can do that. We'll go back to the catalog item and go back to our variable. And if you right click on the image, you can bring up that image box again. And like I mentioned before, the width, let's try to make it 750. You can see it automatically changes the height to keep the aspect ratio for the document you have. We'll save it. We'll update it. We'll save our catalog item when it decides to finish loading. And let's go look at it again. And now it's larger, filling up the whole space. Now if you make it too big, or if it comes in too big, you'll actually have a scroll bar here at the bottom to see the entire document. So if that's the case, I'm sure you probably don't want the scroll bar there. Then you can go into that image box in the variable and change the width, and it'll automatically adjust the height, and you can make it fit without having to scroll and see it. So now we've got our catalog item with the new flyer at the bottom for more information for your customer. In the docs, if you look up rich text label, it gives you a little bit of information. You can make that variable visible using catalog client scripts and catalog UI policies. It tells you a bunch of stuff you cannot do with rich text labels. So I'll post a link to it. And that's what I learned this week. I'll make some more videos because I'm learning a ton. Have a good day.